Hi, this is a quick video to show you how to actually get into the virtual call center page. So the first thing that you do is go to www.mindsharedialer.com. So you see it right here, mindsharedialer.com. Put in the www dot before it. It doesn't show up at the beginning of this page, but it should be www.mindsharedialer.com. Okay, so once you go there, you're going to go down to the bottom here. Now, you're going to receive a code, a long code similar to this, and it has all the login information for it. But what this does, it allows each of the callers, the people that are going to be doing the calling, to log in and have information about the particular calling system that you'll be using. There are different calling systems for each candidate, so this will let them know all the information about your candidate. So I'll get you I'll send somebody out in each of the campaigns a link. I'm sorry, a code similar to this, and that code should be sent out to each of the people that are going to be doing the calling. So once you do that, you log in. Okay, and then it's going to take you to this limited agent access page here. So the first thing that you want to do is put in your telephone number, whatever telephone number you're going to be calling from, whatever number you're going to be calling from. It's already set up in the system to have the caller ID set up, so this is the number that you need to be calling from. This is your telephone number, your cell phone number, your home phone number, whatever number it is that you're going to be calling from. So the first thing that you do is click start calling, and then what's going to happen is you're going to receive a phone call, and I'll put it on the speaker so you can hear it. Okay, at the same time you can press this button, okay, which is the pop-up button, so that you can actually begin the process of the pop-up. Okay, so you answer the call. Okay, so what it's doing now is letting me know that there's this application here that's running. It's called Java. So you need to run Java in order to allow this to work. So let's put this in, and I'm going to say don't show this again. And then what happens is it pops up here, and it'll let me know that it's going to need some information from me. So first things first, you want to, from this page that we're on here, we want to get the let me go back here. I should have told you to record this number, the account number. So you want to record that number and make sure that you have that number correct. Okay? So that number for this account is 10936. So we go here, and they ask for the account number, the 5-digit account number, and it's 10936. So you enter that. Now, back to the phone call. They're asking you if you want to have an introduction. We're not going to use the introduction, so what you do is just press 2 to get out of that and to move forward. Now, they're going to give us an agent ID number. In this case is 22187. And once we enter that number, now it tells us that we're logged in. Okay, and then once we get logged in, now we're ready to go. Okay, and once you put that number in, it tells you that you're logged in.
Now log in to the screen pop-up information window.
Okay.
Press the start key to begin calling.
So now that we've fully logged in, all we have to do is press the star key on the phone in order to start dialing. So I'll press the star key and you'll see what happens on the system. Okay, so it tells us that we're logged in and the system begins dialing. And so what it does, it begins dialing the first number. And what will happen is, as a person gets connected to the system, what it will do is, once a person is connected to the system, it'll then let you know that someone has picked up. So here what it's doing is dialing and disconnecting. And it continues. Okay, so it's doing the dialing. So it continues the dialing until it actually gets someone, and when it does, it puts up this this yellow thing here and lets you know that it's connecting, and then you're able to talk to the person on the other end. Hello?
At the tone, please record your message. When you've finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options. To leave a callback number, press 5.
Okay, but you see what happens as soon as it pops up here, and I just hung up, and it tells me that you hung up. But what happens is it lets you know that the person has picked up. Now, the only other thing that we need to do is, if a person is a supporter, once you finish with their phone call, press the 3 button. If a person is a strong support, press the 3 button. Weak support, press the 2 button. Strong support, press the 3 button. Weak support, press the 6 button. Undecided, press the 9 button. If they are for someone else and they're supporting someone else, press the 5 button. And then if they need to talk to the candidate, or want to talk to someone, or you think it's important that the candidate speak to them, press the 8 button. Okay? So let's go through that again. Strong support 3, weak support 6, and undecided 9. You press 5 if they are supporting someone else, and 8 if they need to speak to the candidate. Okay? And that's all there is to the system. But you'll be connected each and every time someone is on the phone, and it works great. So you can do that, and it'll obviously help to make things work a little faster. Okay? Talk to you soon.